Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers, at the channel we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. That is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at this channel aid criminals, their financiers, their supporters, enablers, and the likes with a passion, and we do not want them over here. Yes, let us repeat ourselves. We do not want any criminal supporters over here. Please, we do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you, the criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, and all the likes, to go to prison or madness. Let me repeat myself. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we do not want the criminal supporters and their circle over here. We want you to go to prison or madden. Moving on to our video.
Yeah, so right now you're looking at a man, his name is Javon Pinnock. Yeah man, Javon Pinnock, and he's wanted in New York for the murder of Javon Jamison. Yeah man, and we want this man off the street, we want him out like now. Javon Pinnock is wanted by, yes, he's wanted by the NYPD for the murder. Yeah man, he's wanted for the murder of Javon Jamison, aka Blingers. And we want this man off the street like now. Yeah man, we want him off. Along with an accomplice gunned down Jamison outside the Pure Lounge nightclub in Queens, New York on April 8, 2023. Jamison, a 23-year-old from North Lauderdale, Florida, was shot multiple times and succumbed to his injuries at Jamaica Hospital in New York, so them kill him in America. So Pinnock is currently on the run and is believed to be hiding in Jamaica. His accomplice, Christopher King, has already been arrested and charged with murder. Second time now, him charged with murder, you know. King, you know, in New York, you know. So Pinnock is described as black, look like frog. I mean, 5 feet, 10 inches, and 220 pounds, with a scar on his left cheek, or you can say, face. So if you have any information on Pinnock whereabouts, please contact 119 Jamaica and let the police know that this corrosion is wanted by the police in New York, and they would issue the warrant to extradite him. There's an extradition warrant out for this man. But please, we're begging you, we're beseeching you. Use your conscience, please, for once. Don't follow the criminal-minded Jamaicans, man. Protect criminals. Because, look, the same boy that you're protecting today, tomorrow he might turn on you. Alright, so moving on to today's video. So you know what Jamaicans and all them love celebrity. And I can tell you, as I said, and I said before, and I'll continue to say again, one thing with Jamaican people, them always love people who, once a man are Jamaican, they would listen to them and gravitate to them, even when they might, lead them in the wrong direction, towards a decadent and destructive behavior. But you know, we at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we're all about, laws of nature, we respect God. And we don't worship man or money, because money is only of this world. We will never sell our soul for money or for popularity. And we'll never lie to the people, because our integrity is paramount. We know that throughout history, people have sacrificed their lives for the truth, for us to live. Even right now, and we have seen where even in the United States of America and the world, where we see, even black people sided with people, the oppressor. Black people love to be oppressed. So, right now, you're looking at, Nicki Minaj. Honestly, I can't tell you this. I can't tell you one of her song, period. She, Cardi B, Beyonce like me, but back in the 90s and all of these things. I don't listen to today's music because the music is degrading in so many ways. It's not uplifting. It's nothing positive. And, I am old-fashioned. You understand? So, you know that. So, Nicki Minaj, she promoting my gummy beer goal in Worldview. Yeah man, gummy beers, Worldview. And your social media platform with these Jamaicans. She and them, you understand, in a real time. I mean, I say, wait, but America, you have 300 odd million people in America. Why Jamaica? Why Nicki Minaj choose Jamaica? Well, we're gonna let you watch a video, and and you will hear the reason why. So say, remember, most of you do not know. Well, when I say most, we talk the ones that reach this far. You more or less know that Jamaica is the capital for Africa. Not because it's not in a continent of Africa, but this is what the African people, this is what they say about Jamaica. All of the greats from outside of the diaspora are from Jamaica. So I won't say that we say it without any apology. Bob Marley, Marcus Garvey, and the likes. You have Claude McKay, we can go on and on. So that's why them look to Jamaica. So in time we have Jamaican people now, we are pretzel. None of our politicians them, none of our politicians and the people in Africa look up to. During apartheid, so Jamaica was with the black people. We stand up against them, and you have to give credit for the, where credit is due. But right now there's a infiltration of white culture. Donald Trump, whether or not you like him or not like him, it's only one thing, but it is just temporary. You have to do things when you come on to law. So you are in a treat with this one. Buckle up, because this is about to be wild. A wild ride through the fabulous, the fraudulent, and the downright foolish. We are diving deep into the peculiar world of the N girls, in wigs. Yeah man, and Nicki Minaj, I tell you about the niggers in wigs. Where some black men are out here cosplaying as women, claiming to be transgender and causing pure chaos online, especially on platform. When I was saying like TikTok live, she and them over there converse, and them and she had diss them too, you understand, but a fair community, because them say that aware. So I don't know if she's been paid by the that's something she had from Joe Biden them, and say Joe Biden them, that's all them care about is the rear admiral thing for impart it to black people. Where some black men are, them open up that, just like when Mark Golding tell black men, say, hey, let's open up your body and take it like a girl. And when I say no PMP in arms, and I say, I cannot disrespect that. So them use this and terrorize our ancestors and all of these things, but hey, to each his own. Why them afraid of white people? And then say, that's why Taki is supposed to be our hero. Because black people die for us, Millions of our ancestors lose them life for us to enjoy this little freedom we have right now. They might try to take away from us, right? You understand? Yeah, because they want to turn me in a slave, in a them serf. And it's just, anyway, corruption at the heart of the day. So the world one. They might pretend like say them decent, but they are not. It's just corruption. You understand? And we see it. So that so you have these men now, niggers in wigs, or you can say kiggers in wigs. We're not going to use the N word, so we use different words, and you're supposed to can fit it in and know if you reverse things. Because you're going to hear Nicki Minaj and them, so these are the men them dress up like women. These are men where them tell other men said them are man, and some man, I don't even know how them do it at Jamaica. When man drive and go buy, blow job and all them thing there. And I saw all a murder did happen at Jamaica. When a man realize it's a man again blow job, him beat some shell pan the man. I don't even know how the case was. A murder case uptown, you understand? But hey, you understand? So, and let me tell you, it is not just a spectacle, it's an Olympic level performance of delusion, deception and drama. These men who dress like women and you can't be, I tell you, them dangerous, you pass them up, them say them uptown or them control uptown now. And people afraid of them like puss, cause some of them are gunman too, you know. Bad man, rear admiral, say them are transgender, follow America. You understand? So, anyhow, if Mark Baby Trump goal in the PMP coming up power, that's how we are going to have. Because them are normalize it and one man for use women bathroom and put your daughter at risk for men rape them. There's not a problem with that. So picture this. You are scrolling through TikTok, you know, sipping on your morning coffee and suddenly, bam, your screen is filled with a deep voice. 6 feet 3 inches broad shoulder. Lady in cheap synthetic lace front, cackling like a cartoon villain while dragging Nicki Minaj like it's their full-time job. Now, mind you, this ain't no random internet troll. This is a black man in wig working overtime to convince the world that he's the real deal, a bona fide woman. But let's be honest, no amount of bad makeups, over the top hand gesture, valley girl accent can hide the fact that these are men with long seeds trying to catwalk their way into womanhood like it's a Halloween costume. Nicki Minaj, the unintentional muse. Now apparently these self-proclaimed divas love to pick apart Nicki Minaj, the queen of wigs and theatric herself. They dissect her every move, critique her music, and even try to snatch her crown while standing in dollar store stilettos. It is as if they have made a sacred vow to dethrone her while borrowing her entire ace ticket. But the gag is Nicki as real female DNA. Meanwhile, these fellows are one strong breeze away from their wig flying into the abyss. And let's not forget the irony. Nicki Minaj, who made pink wig and exaggerated femininity mainstream in hip-hop, is now being ridiculed by men who essentially trying to be boating and them that bootlegger version of her. It's like Dollar Tree trying to take down Gucci. It's not happening. So the Jamaican long seed situation. So now let's shift gear, where we have another chapter in the saga of confusion. Men with long seeds trying to pass as women. If you don't know what I mean by long seeds, just take a wig, put it on a man dog, and just take a wild guess. Because let's just say, some things can't be tucked away, no matter how hard they try. The dog still are gonna be a bulldog. So no matter how them guys try, them still are gonna be men. So it's almost laughable. Jamaican culture is known for its hyper masculinity. So when these fellas suddenly pop up in wigs, throwing shades and doing full and runway walks, the contradiction is as loud as dancehall sound clash. So imagine a man who just a few years ago was roughing up the football field in Clarks, now prancing around claiming to be Shanique. Sir, remember, we remember you. You are doing last week, so you can't be Shanique this week. We know that. So the most mind-boggling part, some of them are out there talking and taking the title of baddest girl while still using cologne instead of perfume. You can't make this up at all. So meet Ugly Dan, that are one way. Same place at Florida, and well, I mean, I don't know. One way, him and not him, it's a she, but him, she pretends she's a him. Yeah. So them call, we over the Jamaica Young Police Channel call her Ugly Dan, cause not pretty about the old corrosion. So she and my name Popcorn, the same I beat her. So if you think this story couldn't get any crazier, enter the woman who goes by Ugly Dan. Now I don't know what kind of self-esteem gymnastic led to that name, but it's clear that she is a whole character. Ugly Dan is out here, front and center in the drama, roasting, laughing and exposing these new age divas for the frauds they are. She's like the last line of defense for real womanhood, calling out foolishness for what it is, pure comedy. And let's be real, women see through the hack. Ain't nobody who actually grew up dealing with cramps, childbirth, or real life manhood, womanhood, buying into this mess. You can't throw on a wig, talk in high-pitched voice and think you are automatically a lady. It takes more than that, sweetheart. The bottom line is, this whole phenomenon is a doozy. It's like a bad soap opera mixed with a stand-up comedy special. You got a black man pretending to be women, roasting actual women, cosplaying as Nicki Minaj, and somehow believing they are fooling the masses. Meanwhile, in the background, Ugly Dan is calling out the circus for what it is, a tragic comedy of errors. So the moral of the story, a wig and some sass, don't make you a woman. Just an actor in a low-budget production. Yeah, in a low-budget production. So what's next? A deep voice Beyonce impersonator running for Miss Universe. So stay tuned, because in this bizarre world, anything is possible. So I make you listen to what you watch, and you listen to the Nicki Minaj video with she and the mad people them. You watch, you listen, and you decide.
Nicki has been on TikTok dragging the niggas in wigs, okay? Now, this is an interesting clip because a lot of people thought she was out of pocket. What is she doing on their lives and stuff like that? They tried to, again, make her the bad guy. She said she didn't have time for that bullshit today. So watch this clip of her arguing with some gay men and some trans men, and watch what they try to do all the time. Because I've had it done to me, but just listen closely.
No, you don't try it. Don't try it. Nicki Minaj, why do you say that about me yesterday? That's not nice, I'm a human being. You should not do that.
What did I say about you?
You were saying some things and it's very awful.
Tell me every awful thing I said.
We were talking on London phone so good.
Tell me what I said.
No, I see those things. I don't have to talk.
No, hey, that's the talking to. She's singing song and red. That be nice, but I never do that.
That was disrespectful. I'm a youth.
Come on, Destiny. Look at my
Nicki Minaj. It's a lot of LGBT people support her, not because I'm a transgender woman.
What the fuck being a donkey got to do with trans? Stop the fuckery. Don't come on here with that bullshit.
No, I'm not coming on that, but I find it very disrespectful.
Shut the fuck up.
No, you
don't try it. Somebody made a song about you posted a child. Once again, y'all don't have no fucking boundaries about children. You posted a TikToker's son.
Our Destiny go on with a while ago.
You posted a TikToker from Guyana. You posted his son. Why are y'all posting and talking about people's children?
What the fuck? You saw how they sit up over there and they gossip. The LGBTQ, they gossip better than anybody, and I love the gossip. But then, whenever we decide to gossip about them, they want to weaponize their sexuality or their gender. I'm trans. Why would you make bad jokes about me being trans or being gay and the LGBTQ loves you? She said, what the fuck that got to do with me clapping back at your ass for talking about people's children? They got real motherfucking quiet, and I know because that's what they do to me. Anytime I'm checking the character, they want to, you don't like me because I'm trans. They ain't got shit to do with nothing. There's plenty of trans women that I fuck with out here. But what I don't fuck with is your character. So if your character is your gender, then bitch, I don't fuck with either. How about that? Nigga and we. How about that?
Well, I can't tell you, I have never, honestly, listen, this woman, I know she bad still, she said, boy, niggas in wigs. Hey, she bad still, believe you me. But, yeah, this normalization of madness, it need to be fixed, and you know, Donald Trump has the opportunity, him and the Republican, them to fix this madness, you know, by making sure or making certain that no man can be no woman and a woman can be no man. You're born a man. If you want to think say you're a woman, that is your business. But not make them think they're legal and force it on people like Barack Obama and Joe Biden has done. So Donald Trump have the opportunity right now, and Jamaica have the opportunity right now not to go down this road, because you know that the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, this is where they want to take us, where man can become women. And women can book, and them want men for use bathroom with women. Imagine all a woman like her Lisa, and you know say when name Dayton Campbell, I don't want to use bathroom with her car. And the man in a ramping up, you know them stay, you know. So why this ER thing? I said, you know, I said me, I don't listen to them people and music, and I can't, because I say if it's not positive, I don't listen. So I am old school. So yes, the infamous ER like a donkey, a line that Nicki Minaj, you know, drop at the internet in stitches. You know that, hey, you know, say when somebody say ER, say a donkey, I tell them say you're a fool. Because I remember say donkey, you know, donkey not no sense, you know. Yeah, a line that Nicki Minaj, she drop it. Wicked. So now if you heard this before, you are probably already smiling, because it's one of those catchphrases that sticks, even though you might wonder what in the actual world does it mean. Well, here's the thing. Nicki Minaj isn't just a rapper. She's a master of absurdity and creativity. Wordplay. She takes the ridiculous, the funny, and the exaggerated and makes it iconic. The ER like a donkey line is basically Nicki's way of adding flavor to the track, giving it what that weird playful edge and make you do a double take and ask, did she really just do that? So in context, it's almost like Nicki's saying she got the best of both worlds. She's fun, wild, and unpredictable, but also commanding attention. The donkey sound is goofy and animalistic, totally unrefined, just like how Nicki flips the switch between polished queen and outrageous cartoon character. So when she drops the ER like a donkey, it's not about making any deep statement. It's about having fun, being silly, and giving us a cheeky little moment that only Nicki can pull off. And let's be real, if anyone can make donkey noises sound hot, it's Nicki Minaj. In short, it means whatever she wants it to mean. She's a queen of turning random sounds into cultural moments. But if you want to break it down even further, it's just Nicki being Nicki, a mix of playful chaos and unforgettable swagger. So, you know, this madness, only Jamaican people can't stop it from it gain traction in Jamaica. We know that the church submissive, and because the church, they are not Christians, you know, they are PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization supporters. And then I mean the black people in Jamaica are no good. It's all about power, even in the media. Just post your comment and tell what you think about Nicki Minaj and these mad people, you know, here these niggas in wigs. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out. Yeehaw!